Hey everyone, okay, so today we're going to do the most minimal of minimal things, and this is a very good foundation routine, but a very good kind of routine for anybody that wants minimal product on their skin so that texture and irregularities aren't emphasized. Now obviously this is not suited for anyone that needs a full coverage foundation because we are going to be using barely anything. I'm just going to give my skin a little bit of moisture before we embark on this journey. So what you're going to need is your favorite concealer or foundation. You don't have to have both. One or the other works fine, but if you're using a concealer, make sure that it's your skin tone and not lighter. We're going to be concentrating right here, pretty much just there. And the reason being is because when we look at somebody, that's where we focus on, in the center of the face. Anything else, we're going to bleed out into nothing. We're going to add a little bit of color, darken the lashes, and you're good to go. So I'm going to use Bare Minerals foundation for this and a really hard, dense brush. I'm actually going to use Bobbi Brown. This is full coverage touch up. And as you can see on this brush, there's barely anything on there that I've just swirled in the lid. And what I want to do is draw a little line down the nose, across the top of my brows, because I get red there. And then I'm just going to buff it in to the center of the nose first. Because once we've taken the redness out of this zone, and just this zone here, the areas where I get red, things just look instantly better. Now, no foundation is an exact match, so you need to blend the edges. There's nothing else on the brush, just blend the edges to diffuse them a little bit. Now I'm just going to go right here into the inner corner of the eye and right here in this kind of area just under the eye, because this area doesn't move and this just brightens things up a little bit. So we're just going there. And I'm not going to go underneath the eye, but what I am going to do is just take out the color at the outside corner of my eyes, because I get discoloration and redness there, so I want that area gone. And I've also got a little bit of dry skin here, or irritation should I say. Now when I've done the nose area, what I now want to do is I'm going to keep buffing, but what I'm going to do is just start to bleed this out a little bit, just bleeding whatever's left on the brush out, because it just helps. And I've got a little bit of redness there, and whatever's left on the brush, we'll see if it helps cover it. If it doesn't, it doesn't matter, not too fast. This is about achieving a completely no makeup look on the skin, it really is. So whatever's left, I'm just feathering out to the other areas of the face. Spot on. Now I'm going to add a little bit of color to the face, right on the bridge of the nose, and we'll just blend this in. So you can see that this looks exactly like your skin, but on a really good day, it just gives this look of sheer nothingness, and that is the goal for this. To look like you've just woken up and you're like, oh, look how good my skin looks. To kind of put things into perspective here and just add a little bit of definition, I'm just going to first go over my eyelid with anything that's left on this brush, and just over that eye area, just to take out any redness in my skin. Then I'm going to give the lashes a little curl, and I'm going to run a waterproof eyeliner just over them to darken them. Okay, now I'm going to bring my mirror a bit closer and just use a waterproof eyeliner just through the lashes. And this just gives them the illusion that they're naturally really black when they're not, without any effect of mascara. To finish off, I'm going to add a touch more colour to the cheekbone. And this time I'm kind of more stippling it on so that I don't blend it out and off too much. There you go. Absolutely, you know, this looks like skin. And that is what we want, our skin to look like skin. Now, again, granted, this is a very minimal look, but I kind of love that just woken up look. And this is how your skin looks, because this is how I wish my skin looked first thing in the morning. And I like to do this if I'm going out somewhere or I want to look just a little bit better than I really do. Thanks for watching. You'll see it before and after. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And I'll see you all soon. Bye-bye.